Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Lost in Time Festival ends on a dramatic note. Well, not even the cold front or the rain could stop the thousands of patrons from turning out on Saturday for the second staging of Protege-led's festival at Hope Gardens. The event, however, ended on a dramatic note, with the Protege dropping the mic after authorities denied his pleas for an additional few minutes to accommodate a performance from surprise guest artist Popcorn. Now, in spite of the event's ending, Protege expressed appreciation to his fans, family and friends for their never-ending support.
I feel great. We lock off the show at 12:03. You see me? We just want a little bit longer, but you know how it is in Kingston when they play reggae music. But we give thanks. It was a great energy. All the performers did so great. The rain showered down, but we see the people them stand up in the rain and hold it. And that made me just give thanks to all of the people who forward out and all of the people in Jamaica who support the music.
The festival featured prominent reggae and dancehall acts like Romain Virgo, Lila Ike, Samurai I, Agent Sasko, Janine and Savannah, as well as special appearances by Massacre, Valiant, Ching Ching, Governor and Stoneboy. E Prime met up with a number of the artists as they voiced their gratitude for the festival at the time.
Excellent music, a reminder of the power of reggae music, a reminder that Kingston, Jamaica is the capital of reggae music. You can never replace this place, right? And it was a great reminder. Reggae, yes, but dancehall also, because it's one voice. It's one voice that push out of Jamaica. We all fought from the same streets, same influence. We might use different words, but it's one message.
Loved that this is the first, opportunity I had performing here at my friend's festival with my friends around, sharing with the young people. Beautiful, beautiful experience.
Feel like I'm smiling to it. Man shining on it. That's right now. We start up the bimmer.
Reggae kind of bring it to Jamaica now and I open a whole heap of eyes, because I've never been to a festival in Europe. So it's the first time I see it at this magnitude, and yeah, it's really and truly refreshing and I love it, you know what I mean? And I hope other investors can get behind some shows like this and even bring it to even a bigger magnitude, or even try to expand this, you know what I mean? So yeah, I look forward.
Musicians continue to pay homage to Peter Morgan, the lead vocalist of the Grammy-winning reggae band Morgan Heritage, who died on February 25 at the age of 46, is being remembered around the world. African superstar Stoneboy called him Uncle Peter and acknowledged his excitement in promoting the reggae dancehall culture in Ghana. Other artists, including Shaggy, Popcorn, Kiaputan, Tara Smiley, Stephen Marley and Freddie McGregor, paid homage to Morgan. The Morgan family announced Peter's death on social media. However, they did not disclose the cause of death. The musicians expressed their love for Morgan Heritage and the music they created during their time with the band. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.